kickers in the IFL. His long this year is 51. Snap to Peterson, pressure's on from Brown, he's hit and sacked! James Brown comes in up the middle and drops Peterson for a huge loss on the play.
James Brown just ran right through there like a freight train and no one stopped him.
Saw it coming from a mile away. As soon as you saw him get through that gap between the center and the right guard, you knew he was coming right for Peterson. And now here comes Gabe Rui to attempt the field goal. Ball's going to be spotted at the 22-yard line, so make it a 30-yard attempt here for Rui. Snap down, kick is up on its way, and it is off of the stanchion kind of up top, and it is up and good. Had plenty. Sheehan will take off and run, has some blockers on a first down. There goes Jack Sheehan inside the 5. Is he in? Yes, touchdown Blizzard. Jack Sheehan on the QB draw takes it in for his 6th rushing touchdown of the season. He turned on those Jets pretty quickly, and the Blizzard have the lead. An interesting third down call to, we'll take a look at it here. Got that block from Whitfield, and
that's a great play call, actually. The defense dropped back in coverage, and I think that's what they were expecting, so they did the QB draw.
Kind of used the back judge kind of as a screen with that high safety. So Jaworski on to attempt the extra point to make it a 7-3 ball game. Snap is down, kick is up, and it is good. Nick Jaworski came into this one 92% shotgun. One receiver to the near side, that's Newbold, Currington and Taylor to the far side. Pressure's on, Sheehan gonna heave this one deep. Shaq Currington caught, touchdown Blizzard. It popped free, but the play was ruled dead. Shaq Currington with the touchdown reception. Sheehan comes away from this one a little bit gimpy. Took a shot there from Ian McBurrow, but look at that catch by Shaq Currington into the board. Had a clean handle on that one. Play was ruled dead. A touchdown for the Blizzard. They now have a 13-6 lead. Jaworski on to attempt the extra point. Imbai is the holder. It's going to roll to him, gets it down, kick is up, and it is good. To his left. Receivers in forward motion. Peterson on the mesh. Can he get to the first down? I don't think he did. He's going to be ruled short. He did not get the first down. There is that bend but don't break defense.
Iowa is not happy about the spot. I think when they tried to challenge the spot on third down, actually, that you're not allowed to challenge the spot. So even if they wanted to challenge the spot here, I don't think they're allowed to.
That must be what. That must be what's got their gripe. Well, 1st and 10 left. Receivers in forward motion. Peterson on the mesh. Can he get to the first down? I don't think he did. He's going to be ruled short. He did not get the first down. There is that bend but don't break defense.
Iowa is not happy about the spot. I think when they tried to challenge the spot on third down, actually, that you're not allowed to challenge the spot. So even if they wanted to challenge the spot here, I don't think they're allowed to.
That must be what. That must be what's got their gripe. Well, 1st and 10. Blitzstein is the long snapper and by the holder. Snap is down, kick is up, on its way. It is good. Nick Jaworski from 35 yards out makes it a 17. He has made 2 in this one. Can he knock it through to give them the lead again? Odd snap, and it is pushed through. Snap to Sheehan. Pressure's on. Keyshawn Taylor caught. Touchdown, Blizzard. No flags. Touchdown, Green Bay. And the Blizzard take the lead right back. An important extra point coming up. Falling down in coverage. Was the Iowa Barnstormer defensive back.
But it's a big extra point here.
Make it a 3-point game. Snap down, kick is up, and it is good. Come away with this one. Slow snap. Brown with the pressure, picked off! It is Carl Robertshow. One play, one interception. It is going to be very...
The 1 yard line, this is going to be tough.
Wow.
We'll probably see some QB sneaks just to get some forward yardage. And
wow. The 11th interception of the season thrown by DJP.
If Iowa